Hi guys, my name is Bhuvan Sahu. I am from Indian Mathematics and I hope you are fine. And today our topic is high order component in relay. So here I write one definition. So what are the higher order component in relay? So you see a higher order component HOC is an advanced technique in React for using component logic. HOC are not part of a React API. They are a pattern that emerge from React compositional nature. Consequently, a higher order component is a function. So you see, higher order component is a function that takes a component and returns a new components. So first I create one example project, mini project. After that I explain what is the mean of this all four lines. So yeah, so this is our. So I am not use. I am not create external component. I create the component here for better understanding. So let's start. And so this is our app component, and inside app component, here we have a higher order component. So here it is our deadline, and I create one counter here because counter is our component. So function counter and after that what I do, we simply create one counter here. So count create a count, so say count, and I use step for maintaining step, and my initial state is 0, and after that we simply return, and here I created one div, and inside div I created one h1 tag. So here is our h1 tag, and inside h1 tag we are simply define our count here, and inside I created one button for increment counter. So this is our increment counter, and here on click we simply increment our counter here. So set count, uh, count, and counter count plus 1. And guys, I created one counter. So check first, check this is working or not. So here I import this counter. So counter. So let's check it is. So I go to here. So let's check our counter is working or not. So I go in here. So yeah, here our counter is imported perfectly, and I need to import this counter again. So you see we have a 3 counter here, and yeah, but for example, if my counter for example, this counter creates similar, for example we need to some style. For example, this counter color is red, and this counter color background color blue and green. So this task we achieve using higher order components, and multiple tasks we achieve, but I give one classic example. So you see, so right now this is our normally simple counter, and here I create 3 HOC. Okay, so for example what I do, so first I delete this, and I created one HOC rate counter. Okay, so function HOC rate, and here I create one function. So HOC is also is a function, pure function. Okay, so it return component. So we need to return component. So here we are write h1 take, and inside h1 take it it takes probes. Okay, probes, and inside probes we have a component. So probes dot cmp. So we pass one component here, and we need to pass component here. So what I do, I think I write double thing here, so I don't need this, and yeah, so this perfectly fine. And here we write create one HOC. So we simply pass this component here, our counter component here. So we need to pass here our counter component, and yeah, so we pass simply our counter component here. So counter here. So we are simply pass our counter as a props in here outer order component. So it receives props, and after that it returns new logical new logic. For example, if I give a style background red, and with 100 ps. So we receive this component here. For example, background, I think background experience mismatch. So background, yeah. So you see, I created one HOC component, and yeah, similarly, I created one component also green, and here we pass only green. So green, and again I pass here in green component. So this is our HOC green. We need to write green here, and here green. We have a green component. So you see we have a red component, red counter, and second is our green counter. So yeah, so I explain again what happened here. So what we do, we simply create one function. Okay, inside the function, I created one counter. So you see, so this is our counter, count one set counter. So here I simply create one counter. After that, what I do, after that I create two high order component rate. So it will give me rate counter, and component this high order component green give me green counter. Okay, so what I do is use if you read this definition. So our HOC take the probe and return components. So it is similar. It receive the probes. So and return the components. So we are simply return our component, and we are pass our counter here as a probes. Okay. So this is our order rate. So it is give me red, and it is give me green. So guys, this is our higher order component. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and share. And thank you very much for watching this video.